So we just got a brand new update on the Osmo Pocket 4. Igor Bogdanov posted fresh testing footage, and this new leak changes everything we thought we knew so far. It looks very different from the earlier rumors, and now people are even comparing it to a mini version of the Air 3 camera system. In my last video, we talked about the FCC approval and how the Pocket 4 is getting close to launch. But this new clip shows a test unit that does not match the original design leaks at all. At first, everyone expected a horizontal dual camera layout. 2 lenses side by side, almost like a tiny Air 3, just smaller and built for handheld shooting. But in Igor's latest video, the camera does not look horizontal. The lenses look like they are arranged in a vertical stack, one above the other. And the gimbal arms look thicker and stronger than the Pocket 3, almost as if they are designed to carry more weight. This is where the Air 3 comparison started. People noticed that the shape of the camera block and the way it sits on the gimbal looks very similar to the Air 3 camera design, just scaled down, and that raises a big question. If this is inspired by the Air 3, which camera lenses could fit inside something this small? Let's break it down. 1. A wide-angle camera. The Air 3 uses a 24mm wide camera. A smaller version of that lens could fit inside the Pocket 4. DJI might reduce the sensor size to something like 1/1.3 or 1/1.5, which would make it possible to mount on a compact gimbal. 2. A medium zoom camera. The Air 3 also has a 70mm medium zoom lens. That is a big lens, so DJI would need to redesign it for a handheld device. It might become a 2x zoom lens instead of the full Air 3 zoom. This would still be very useful for creators. 3. A brand new dual camera system. There is also a chance that DJI designed a completely new lens system just for the Pocket 4. The stacked layout seen in Igor's leak does not match past Pocket models, which makes this theory believable. But let's talk about the 2 leaked photos that came out right after Igor's clip, the ones you are seeing here. These show what looks like 2 separate prototype bodies mounted on a rig, and this confused everyone even more. Some people think the testers are working with 2 different prototypes. Others believe DJI is loading the gimbal with different lens weights to test stability, and a lot of comments say this really might be the actual Pocket 4 camera head, just covered in tape and test labels so it does not reveal too much. On social media, the reactions were all over the place. Many people said this does not look like a Pocket at all. Some said it looks too big. Some said it looks like an Avatar 360 test unit. Others believe this is exactly what DJI wants. People guessing, confused, and hyped. But here is the important part. The motors on the gimbal look larger than the Pocket 3. The arm design looks stronger, and the camera block sits forward, which usually means the lens module is heavier. This supports the idea that DJI is testing 2 real cameras, not just one. And when you combine these leaks with what we already know from the FCC filing, a larger 1545 milliamp battery, BIOS updated image processing, possible 6K at 60 frames per second. Rumors of a variable aperture sensor like f2 to f4 and full 360-degree panning, the Pocket 4 is starting to look like DJI's most advanced handheld camera yet. So now I want to hear your thoughts. Do you think this is the real dual camera Pocket 4? Are we looking at 2 prototypes side by side? Or is DJI testing a completely new gimbal design that nobody expected? Let me know below. As always, thank you for watching till the end, and I will see you in the next one.